Why does your scanner show the P0206 engine code? What does it mean? P0206 is a diagnostic trouble code for injector circuit malfunction cylinder 6. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM has detected an issue with the fuel injector on the engine's 6th cylinder, such as an open or shorted wire, a faulty injector, or a bad electrical connection. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: defective fuel injector, wiring circuit issues, loose connections, corroded connectors, open circuit. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, BMW, Ford, Mercedes-Benz, Opel, and Volkswagen models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.